it's just my passion, and as I tell people, I've got blue eyes, and I'm a Ford person. Hi, I'm Mike Urey. This is my 2019 Mustang GT. I bought this car last year. I bought it mainly because I've always wanted one since they first came out in 2015, and I'm not getting any younger, so I thought, I've got a 69 model, and I thought this might be just a good addition to my collection. So this one came up, and I followed it for quite some time on Facebook, and then eventually we worked out a deal and I bought it. I love it. It makes my eyes light up every time I hop in it and drive it, and the sound is awesome. The power is amazing, and it's just a well engineered and great car to drive. The previous owner has spent quite a lot more than the asking list price, adding extras on the car, most of which I would have done myself if I wanted to spend the money. It's had a wheel and tyre option fitted. It's had a bowler exhaust system fitted, cold air induction and ceramic coating. All good little things that make the car stand out from the average one, and makes it a bit unique. The white colour with the blue Cobra striping makes it again unique, and gives it a bit of its own character. I've been interested in cars since I was a teenager, when a friend of ours was a mechanic, and he was modifying cars back when I was a teenager, and got me really interested in classic cars back then. And as I grew older, I bought some myself, and eventually found cars I liked and bought, and then moved on, as we all do. When I got older, I came back into the car scene again, and I joined the car club, the Scarab Car Club, and with like-minded people, we go to car shows and car runs and outings, and we all admire our cars, and we go to events all around the countryside, and it's just great fun. Keeping up. Like, it fills in your time, gives you an interest in life. You don't get old, or you try not to, and we just enjoy it. I used to sell Fords back in the 70s and 80s, and I guess that sort of indoctrinated in me a passion for Ford cars. So I've had Holdens and other makes of cars, Chryslers and Morris Mini Cooper S's, etc. But I've always come back to Fords, and I just sort of like their style, and I think they're more popular on the second-hand market than other brands. People seem to go for Fords a lot more than, say, a Chrysler or even a Holden. But it's just my passion, and as I tell people, I've got blue eyes, and I'm a Ford person.